This is the pileated woodpecker, one of the largest in North America, nearly the size of a crow. Its name comes from the Latin word pileatus, meaning capped, for that brilliant red crest. Males wear a red mustache stripe on their cheeks, like this one. Both males and females drum up to 20 beats per second, not for food, but to claim territory or call a mate. They can chisel deep rectangular holes in trees, sometimes big enough for owls or squirrels to move in later. Their tongue can stretch up to 4 inches past the beak, perfect for snatching ants and beetle larvae. Carpenter ants are their favorite meal, making up nearly half their diet. That tail works like a kickstand, giving balance while hammering away. They often return to favorite feeding spots, especially when winter food is hard to find. Pileated woodpeckers rarely visit feeders, so catching one this close is something special. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more backyard wildlife from CritterCam, Indiana.